spacious living and dining area, your kitchen space where you will be getting two parallel platforms, a space of your master bedroom where you can easily place. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Kasturi 1 by the Gujarat Group located in Bhayandar East, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, which is also the actual land parcel of the project where the project will be constructed. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 3 acres that has 2 high-rise tower of ground plus 35 story, having spacious 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus amenities with clubhouse, gym, kids play area, mini theatre and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, you can see this is the actual location. You can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. And the project is located at Cabin Road, Bhayandar East, from where Bhayandar railway station is only at a distance of 5 minutes, metro station is only at a distance of 1.5 kilometers, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 4 to 5 kilometers, and you have school, colleges, hospitals within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are entering the spacious 2 BHK of the residential project Kasturi 1. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 764 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is a spacious living and dining area. On this side, you have your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 people dining table. Also, you can see the entrance and you have plenty of walkable space. And this over here is the space of your living area where you can place your sofa, center table and customize your TV unit. You can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. And again, in the living, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony. The balcony is spacious enough if you want to place your tea tables, tea chairs or your swings and enjoy the views from your balcony. Moving forward, this over here is your alley area that has entrance to your common washroom, kitchen and bedrooms. First, on this side, we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can see how spacious your kitchen is. You can see your space provided to place your washing machine. You can place your refrigerator. And in the kitchen, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for safety and ventilation. Moving forward, on this side opposite to your kitchen, we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And besides your kitchen is your common bedroom. As we enter, you can see this is the space of your common bedroom where you can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You have walkable space besides the bed even after placing your furniture. Also, in this bedroom, you have wardrobe space provided, that is niche wardrobe space that gives your bedroom a bigger look, and you have half French windows with glass facade for beautiful standing balcony look. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, Let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you get a foyer area at the entrance that gives your bedroom privacy, and this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can easily place your king size bed, side tables. You can also make a seating corner if you wish to, as this bedroom is very spacious. Also, you can see wardrobe space provided is again niche wardrobe space that gives your bedroom a bigger look, and in the bedroom, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for safety and beautiful standing balcony look. And in this corner, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was your 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Kasturi 1. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Kasturi 1 by Gujarat Group located in Bhayandar East, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.